I got a message this morning from one of our friends on Facebook saying we should have a look at this right here. This is the Polar 10 from HK. This is German stuff. Germans make good stuff. Okay? Made in Germany. We don't have a guy here to talk to us, but Andy's kind of figured it out. So Andy's going to tell us all about it.
enough information on this.
All right, you know all about it.
Single 10.
Okay.
We have a single 10 running 3-inch mids with a single horn.
Now, are they full range or are they just mids? Are they mid highs? It's probably mid high.
According to this, it's a mid speaker with a high range horn.
Oh wow, just a single high range. That's kind of cool. So you said the sub weighs 46 pounds?
46 pounds on the sub and roughly 9 pounds on each of the center sections.
Okay, and they're going to be probably in a carrying bag or whatever. But
2
yeah,
mic inputs with an instrument and Bluetooth.
it's got a DSP on it, so you can run DJ or what's it right here? Music, speech, or DJ. It says right there. So yeah, it's just another option for you. These column arrays are all over the place. And this is just one that one of our users said was pretty cool. I'm going to step back to get a wide picture of it so you can see what it looks like. It's a Polar 10 from HK right there. And we know what we've read about it on the brochure, and that's it, because these guys are way too busy to talk to us, because as you can see, it's a very busy day over here at HK. So yeah, that's it, man.
I'll be their technical advisor.
Yeah, you'll do it. You did a good job. Good demonstrator. Product specialist.